Guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Tin. Today we will see a media query. So we will see in a CSS what is the media query. Using a media query you can make a responsive websites. It means automatically adjust according to your device. Okay, go to landscape and landscape to portrait. You can change its layout. It's a 3 columns layout, automatically change. Now it's a 3 columns layout, and now it's a 2 columns layout. Okay, when you click menu icons, the links are wrapped inside a menu, a drop down. Okay, just like you can see here. Okay, these menus are wrapped inside the drop down like this one. So I want to show you one more thing. Just resize your window. Okay, it's automatically created for us according to your device. It's automatically adjusts. Okay, so let's get started how to make this one. So first we need to create a project. Okay, if you I'm inside htdoc. If you don't know how to install the XAMPP, okay, and WAMP, so please check out my previous videos how to install the XAMPP and WAMP. Okay, so you can create here project. Okay, right click, yeah, or you can control shift N and create a project. Okay, project name here, but I'm using NetBeans. So NetBeans is a good editor, and it's do lots of things for me by default. Just go to file, new project. Okay, and here you can create a project. I want to use a PHP, so PHP, and you can also use HTML projects as well. So I want to use a PHP, so PHP applications. Next, and here you want to give it a name of your project. So my project name is media query, and finish. So this project inside this location CSS htdoc and media query. So this is the location where automatically created this one media query. Okay, this is project created by the NetBeans. Inside have the one file which is the index.php. So just drag and drop this file inside like this one inside here. So I have opened this file. Okay, now we need to write some code. So we need to some images and some CSS files. So if you don't know how to attach a CSS file, just so I want to show you these things as well. So go to source file, new. Okay, and cascading style sheet. Okay, and here you can create your file. Okay, this is the style.css, style.css. So the style.css, this is the location. Automatically extension are added by NetBeans, so don't worry about that. If you don't know how to install NetBeans, so don't worry. For that I will make a video how to install NetBeans, so don't worry. And you can also create this file style.css. Go to your project. Okay, and right click, and here new. Okay, just right click, go to new, and text document, and here you can see style, style underscore whatever you just wanted to give it name of your CSS file. So just give it extension dot css, cs actually dot css. So this file is a CSS file has been created, and just you open to your code editor. Okay, so this is the open. Okay, so don't worry for that. It's a very easy way to create files. Okay, so the style underscore css is not need uh, here, just delete it. Okay, so I have two files, index.php and style.css. Okay, so now we need to link style.css inside index.php. So this is the media query tutorial. Just give it a title, media query. Okay, query query tutorial. Okay, so now we need to link that file. So this style, okay, and href style, oh sorry, just link and href. Okay, inside the path of your file, so where is your file? My file in the root directory of your project. This is the project inside in style.css. Okay, so here you want to I want to give the part of style.css and it's related to a style sheet. Okay, and bam, this file has been linked. This file style.css has been linked. Whatever you just want to code, write code here, it's automatically linked. Okay, so uh, uh, this process and this method to link your css, this is called the external css. Okay, external css. Okay, so I have a linked css file here, and we now need to now need to there's links and some images here. So first I need to one more line here for responsive layout. Just click here meta. Okay, and name viewport. mm, okay, viewport. Okay, and name is a viewport. Okay, and the content is the width equals to device width. Okay, whatever you are using a device, it's automatically adjust, and its initial scale, any initial scale equals to 1.0. Okay, and enter. So this is the viewport. This is line for responsive layout. Okay, so we have a linked css and viewport here, and now we need to create a links. Okay, so I want to give you links div, and this it's called give it id and class. Okay, so this div is called the body container. Okay, and body container we have a nav means navigation of your website, and inside we have a header tag. Okay, whatever process you want to use to create a links. Okay, no problem. And inside we have another div. Okay, and inside we have another list, and inside have a list. Okay, and have a link href and off and sorry, the link logo. Okay, so just copy and paste 3 or 4 times how many links sorry, just copy it and paste it here, paste it here, and paste it here, and paste it here. Okay, so I have created the 5 links here. Second one is the services. Third is contact us, and second one fourth one is about us page. Okay, I didn't link any reference of this page, so don't worry for that. We will see also in future videos, and you can also link some pages here. So this tutorial is based on the responsive layout, how to make this one. So first so now we need to run this project. So just go open your browser. Okay, and here you can type localhost and /, and media query index.php. Sorry, media query. Just copy the project f2, rename and name of your project, just copy, and browser, and just paste it here. Okay, and hit enter. So now our links is there, and our project is gonna is running. Okay, so this is for the left side links. Okay, this one logo, header, contact us, and I want to use I want to create some more links, which is the login and sign up. Okay, so for that just copy this one. Okay, and just bottom of that just we have two links is here. First is a login, and second one is this sign up, SIG, and sign up. Okay, control S for save and refresh your browser. Okay, refresh your browser, and here two links more we have. So give it some class and some IDs and class, so we can style properly. So give it ID. Okay, so give it ID. Sorry, ID is right now, NAV, whatever you just want to give it a name, and this is for the left. ID equals to left nav. Okay, and this is our menu. Okay, so give it a class. Okay, now we are giving it's a null, because this class we will give a dynamically uh, add and remove class, and some functionality like make this one. So just now it's blank. Okay, and create its ID, and its ID is mobile menu. Control S for save. Okay, so just refresh your browser and nothing, just like that. Okay, and bottom of that this header is closed here, and this is the nav. And after nav we want to put some images like this one. This is the nav images. Okay, so we want to create some images. So images is the we are creating the section, and section is that uh, image container. ID is image container, img container. Okay, and inside we have a div. Okay, and this div has the images, img src. And in our project you can see the images, there's images. Okay, images is not present at, so we want to copy and paste your images. So these are the images, four images I have. Just copy these images. Okay, and go to your project. My project media query, and inside I want to create a directory which is the images, and inside I want to paste it here. So I have now I have four images. Just first one has img1. Okay, so now we need to link that files. So my image is inside images and image one, and also put also alt tag. Okay, and this is the image one. Okay, just copy these lines four times, three times, paste, paste, and paste. Okay, so this is image 2, image 3, image 2, image 3, and img3 4, and image 1, image 2, image 3, and image 4. So control S for save, and just refresh your browser, and now you can see image is much more bigger as our expectation. So we want to adjust in CSS, and use the media query for that. And after the this image container, it has a footer as well. So just after the section, okay, we want to put a footer. So type footer tag, and inside footer tag just end sign, and here are the lots of uh, icons. Okay, which is the HTML. Okay, so don't worry about that if you are new in an admin, because it gives a suggestion to use that. So I want to copyright, just type copy, and copy y, I think this one. and hit enter. And by name company. Okay, control S for save, and now see. So it looks here, copyright by company name. Okay, 2000s, I think 2017. Control S for save, and now you can see. So our HTML has been completed now, and we need to write some code of CSS. So go to CSS. Okay, it's very easy to write some codes of CSS. So don't worry if you are don't know what is the CSS. Is the cascading style sheet. Using CSS we can make a beautiful websites, put a colors, okay, margin, padding. This is the body, and a body tag, body body, and comma ul comma li. Okay, and its margin and padding is 0 0, because the browser functionality is by default is has the padding and margin, and underline list style is also have the margin and padding. So we want to give it a initial position which is the 0 0. Okay, control S for save. And we have the body container as well. So the body container. Okay, so we have a nav tag, means navigation, inside have a header tag, this one. So I want to show you um, the header tag inside a nav. So this is the nav, and inside have the header tag. Okay, so header, we want to give it a relative position. Okay, position relative, because inside we want to give a absolute value, so it's a nothing go the containers, nothing go anywhere. Okay, so background, uh, whatever color you just want to. So I want to color chooser, and choose whatever color you just want to. Yes, I want to this one color, semicolon. Okay, and control S for save, and now see. So you can see here the body, the header color, background color has been changed. So just padding is 10 pixel. Okay, and after that we have control S for save. Okay, logo, services, all the links is there. Okay, so we want to customize some links here. So it by default it has an underline, and we want to change the color. Okay, so for that we need to uh, nav. Okay, and inside nav header tag, and have the list style type and a. Okay, so I want to show you, this is the header inside another list, li and a. Okay, so text decoration, what is the text decoration? This one text decoration none, means you can see here the underlines is gone when you are given none of text decoration, so it's gone. Okay, so for another is margin. What is the margin? Give it a 10 pixel. So I want to show you a margin. Okay, so when you are give it margin, you can see it's a little bit goes have a bit, it has a space between among them. Okay, so margin is that. And color, color I want to fff, means a white color. And font family is Shan Serif. Okay, and font size I want to font size. So font size I want to a 12 or 13 pixels, whatever you just want. And now see, so it's a look good. Okay, control S for save. So we want to this links in inline. Okay, one lines. Okay, this is the logo, after that the services. Okay, don't want to a block view. So for that we need to make that nav, and inside have a header. Okay, and have another list, and another list have the left nav. Okay, and left nav have the li. I want to show you. This is the left nav. Okay, inside have li. Okay, so I want to target this one. Okay, nav header another list have the nav left class, left nav id, and inside have the list. So display, just put display inline, so it's all the thing, all the links should inline. Okay, you can see here. Okay, and for right now as well, same process, just copy it and paste it here, because the still is our left name is in a blog, so just change its right now and display inline. Okay, just so you can see here. Okay, so we want to give it a position, this left nav to absolute, so it's we want to here. So left nav, just copy it here and paste it here. So left nav means we want to two links, there's links to be here. Okay, so this is the left I think actually this is the right nav we want to right side. So for that we gonna style that, so its position is absolute. Okay, and right is 10 pixel, and top is 10 pixel. Control S for save and refresh your browser. So now you can see here, this is the left nav and this is the right nav. So this is the perfect, just like this one. Okay, we are going right way, so don't worry about that. Okay, so friend, we need to for mobile view. Okay, so for mobile view, because it's not when you are resize, it's not mobile, the menu is one after another, and that's our over each other. So don't worry for that, we want to give it an class of that, and to do a good thing. So by default we want to give it mobile menu. Okay, so give it a class mobile menu. Okay, uh, so just copy this, copy and paste it here, and for mobile device just write comment for mobile device. Okay, de, just select and click here. So this is the comment, multi-line comment, and just copy it here. Okay, and inside we have uh, okay, inside we have another list. Okay, has and right now. Okay, right and now, this one, and give it a position, give it initial. Okay, it goes now it is this is the its position is absolute, but when we put this class, okay, so its position is initial. Okay, and it's clear both. Okay, and display block semicolon. So we want to like that one, means one after another. Okay, so you can see here like this one. When you are I mean you are resize your window. Okay, that time it looks like this one. So don't worry, I am making uh, good way for that. Okay, so dot mobile menu, and inside we have a unordered list, means both unordered list, means this one and this one. Okay, both unordered list. So we want to put its background, actually we want to put a transparent background. Okay, here you can see here when we are resize, it's so just this one, and this is the transparent background of that. So for that we want to RGB color, RG background. Okay, background RGBA, RGBA color, and the color is put 153 and comma 153 comma 0 comma, and this is the opacity 0.50 and semicolon. Actually this is the bracket, not a curly bracket. Okay, control S for save and control S, and now we need to refresh. So you can see here it's a transparent background. It's a little bit shows the visibility is very less. Okay, and we want to margin left. Margin left is 30%, means it comes this is margin left, this is the left, and it comes here, because this is when you are, means this menu is not be start from here, this is start from here. So for that we need to margin left is 30%. Okay, so mobile menu, this one, just copy it and paste it here, mobile menu, and inside UL and LI. Okay, so this is the margin. Okay, margin 1 pixel. Okay, and padding is 5 pixel. Okay, and when you hover it, just copy and paste it here, and when you just hover it, means you your mouse is over there, and it's hover, that time it's change background. Okay, just background, change background. Background is also RGBA color. Okay, this one, and it's 153 comma 153 comma 0 comma 0.60. So if you don't know how we remember this code, so don't worry, I want to show you just little bit later. Okay, so transaction, transaction is what transaction. So just little wait, I want to show you. Okay, background. Okay, background 0.2 second, and easing out, it's have the a cubic bezier, ease in, ease, and easing out, and ease in, whatever is want, I want to linear, and 0 second, this is the delay time. So what is the transition is that, so when you are hover it, it's look, it's come very smoothly. Okay, the background is come very smoothly, so that is the transaction. When I hover it, the background comes some after some time, means 0.2 second. Okay, it goes to 0.2 second. Okay, so that is the transaction. Okay, so now I need to right menu and left menu want to be one after another, means a block condition when the mobile menu is active. So dot mobile menu. Okay, and ul has the uh, right menu, right nav. Okay, and inside have a list styles. Okay, so just put it display block. So display block means just refresh your browser, and now you can see here. Okay, so don't worry, I just making good. Okay, so right menu and left menu, we want to both of them it is single, mobile menu, right menu, and li. Okay, and also have comma and ul. Okay, left menu, this one, and have a ul, actually li. Okay, and just clear both. Okay, semicolon, and display block, and its position is initial position, semicolon, control S for save and refresh. So nothing happened. What so I found the solution for that. Just remove this code here, because we have already put this code above this line. So just remove it, control S for save, because we want to all the list of the right now is the block, means one after another, and means each link we want to a new line. So this is the display block, and this is right now, and this is for the left now. So just copy, control X and put below above this right now. So control S for save and refresh, F5 for refresh. So it's a come good way. Okay, so it's look like this one. Okay, when I click here, I means this drop down is 30% here. Okay, so you can see a 30% is here is the 30%, and you can see here. Okay, so for mobile menu, okay, for a mobile view, okay, we want to use a media query here. Okay, so for that we want to a media query at the rate, put at the rate, okay, media, okay, and only screen and max width is 500. Okay, you can also put a 600, 800, whatever you just want. When the device screen is 500, okay, that time means like this one. Okay, when the device screen is 500 means this one. Okay, like here when a device screen is 500, the mobile view mobile menu is appears here. Okay, so for that we want to write some query here. So the nav means navigation, and inside we have a header. Okay, and header is its padding, padding bottom is 0 pixel. Okay, padding right is also a 0 pixel, and padding is 10 pixel, means all the left, right, top, bottom, okay, is 10 pixel, but top, bottom and right is 10, 0 pixel, and a padding, I mean, all the sides is by default it's padding is all the sides, top, bottom, left, right, and 0 लेकिन but control X and control V. Okay, control V, but it is by default 10, and after the 10 the bottom is 0 and right is 0. Okay, control S for save, and the mobile menu, okay, mobile menu is position absolute means when we absolute means this portion is not disturb any other elements. Okay, it's open, we have some images and the links and the company name and the headers whatever, but just we are clicking this is the individual elements which are happening here. So that is its position is absolute. Okay, so padding right, padding left is 0. Okay, width is 95% of your menu. Okay, and margin top is 10 pixel, and display by default it is none. So what is none, I will show you. So just refresh your browser. Okay, so mobile menu is by default it's display none. So but it's not gonna it's not now it's in your desktop you it's appears, and when you are just go to 500, less than 500, actually it's not gonna happen. Okay, just alt shift and delete, clear, refresh, and go to 500. It's not uh, mm, it's not gonna display none. Okay, the mobile menu. Okay, mobile menu, it's display none, it's not happen, none. Actually 600 800 is for the demo. First control is to save. Add media only screen and max width is 500. Sorry, I have found the solution is that I didn't I forgot the px means pixel. Okay, pixel here. So just refresh and go to 500 less than, it's gone. Okay, 500, it's gone. It's gone because we it's when it's 500 it's a display none. Okay, so we want to put this icon here. Okay, this icon here, like this one, just this icon. So this icon is go to logo maker, logo maker, this website, and this is the website logomaker.com, and here is the, you can find out the, here is the lots of icons. Just browse it here, and okay, it's loading, and you have the lots of icons. You just find out the menu. Okay, and like this icon, like this icon. Okay, you can find out from these websites. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. Okay, so I don't want to download. This is the my icon, which is the IC menu white 2 for dp.png. Just create its just paste it here inside your project. Okay, just paste it here, whatever you just want. If you want to in a directory, so you just create a directory and put it here. Okay, so the mobile header. Okay, header, and inside the mobile menu. Okay, menu icon, and the menu icon is not present add, so just make a menu icon, create a div here inside a header, create a div, just div close. Okay, and give it id is menu icon, control s for save, this one. Okay, menu icon, and inside we want to put the img tag src. Okay, and here is the path of your icons. So my icon is ic, and underscore, just copy this f2, copy and paste it here, dot png, because this is the png image, and put it alt tag, and this is the menu. Okay, control s for save, control s for save, and come here, and we want to give it some display equals to block, because this is by default it is this menu is the means unvisible. Okay, so outside of your media screen. Okay, um, anywhere you can just put and paste it here, and by default it's actually just I want to show little bit later. Control s for save and refresh it. So your menu is here, but when you resize, means the desktop view, this menu is I think I think it should not see we cannot see here. Okay, so by default it's this menu is display none, display none. Control S for save. Okay, and refresh your browser. So now it's not looking, but when we are 500, okay, means it's initial value is 500 of your device, it's a come, and when you are a desktop view it's gone. Okay, so this is the magic of media query. Okay, so menu icon we have created, and now we need to images, because we have put the images here, so we want to give it a style. Just copy it here. Okay, so this is the section inside of the IT. So bottom of uh, here, I think here we want to a section, and section is section has the ID is the image container. Okay, and it's a width is 90%. Okay, when you are put 100%, it touch the this is left and right. Okay, but I have put the 90%, means that this have some space left and right, so 90%. Okay, and margin 0 pixel auto, means the top is 0, bottom is 0, and left and right is automatically equally spaced. It do for us. Okay, auto. Control S for save, and refresh your browser. So now you can see the content of our images is 90%, and it's remove some space and here as well. Okay, so the section, and copy it and paste it here. Okay, and inside we have a div. Okay, this one, this we have a div. So inside we have a div. Okay, give it a width and height. So the width is 33.33%. Okay, and width and height is auto. Okay, automatically adjust. Control S for save and refresh. Okay, so width is perfect, height is perfect. Okay, and the float is left, means one, means all the images is one after another. Okay, means this image is here and this one is next here, so for that I'm making this one. Just copy it and paste it here, and inside a div we have a image tag. Okay, its width is 100%, means 100% means 33.33%. Okay, and height is also 100%. HEIGHT height is 100%. Control S for save and refresh your browser. So now you can see all the images adjust in 3 columns automatically, and have the some space between left and right side. Okay, so one more thing we want to do that, that is the footer. Okay, so footer tag we have, means this one, this footer tag, because it's by default it's come here. So to manage that, okay, so put a clear both. Okay, give it a padding padding is 10 pixel, and give it a background is CCC, whatever you just want, and refresh your browser. So now you can see here your footer. So we want to this text in center, so just put right text align, text align text align center. Control S to save, and now it's here, and here you can see as well. Okay, but when you are resize this window, okay, it's nothing happen. Okay, why? Because we didn't put a jQuery. Okay, so when we are click here, it comes, it opens this menu. Okay, it comes when I click here and opens it here. So in a I will one more thing to show you, that is this is still it's a 3 columns layout. Okay, so I want to change media query. Okay, here we want to some code here, section, and inside section have the images container. Okay, and images container with by default it's a 95%, and now it's 100%, semicolon, and margin is 0 pixel, auto, semicolon. Okay, and inside the container we have a div which is copy and paste it here, and we have a div which is this one, and it's a plot is left. Okay, and width is 50% because by default 33 and 33% we have put here, and height is auto, semicolon, control S for save, and refresh your browser now. When you just resize, nothing happen. Just control shift to delete, remove the cache. Okay, it's not work. The image container, just copy it here and paste it here, and also paste it here. Okay, just remove it here, control S for save, and pixel percent, control S for save. Okay, and now we need to refresh browser, so it's a look perfect. When you are resize window, it goes fit according to your device. So now we need to, when we click here and this menu is open, this menu is open. Okay, so for that we need to write some code of JS file, means jQuery and JavaScript. Go to here, jQuery, sorry. So open your browser and type jQuery cdn. Okay, and this is the jQuery link. Just click here. Okay, and click jQuery 2.x, and just I think just copy and paste inside head section. But in your computer the internet connection doesn't have, so just click here and just copy this, control A, control C, and create a new file here in your project, htdoc. This is my media query project. Right click, new folder, this one, and this is a js, and inside we want to create two files, which is this one, jQuery jQuery.js. Okay, and one more file. Just open this file inside code editor. Okay, so just open it here and control V, paste this code. Okay, control S for save and remove it. And we need to create a one more file here, and also you can create here file. Right click, so I want to click js, and inside we want to create a javascript file, which is my main.js file. Okay, so now we need to link these two files, jQuery.js and main.js, inside this head section. Just drag it here and drop it here, and drag it here and drop it here. Okay, so jQuery should be below your file of JS, so it works good. Okay, control S for save. Okay, and now we need to write some code of the jQuery in JS. So this is the our main file of JS. So first we need to create a function. Okay, and function name is a responsive layout, lay layout. Okay, so if dollar window dot inner width, means this one, okay, is less than 500, okay, or equal to 500, you can put this thing as well. So dollar, the selector of the jQuery, id selector, double r single quotation, and id is mobile menu, I mean this one, this mobile menu, this one, this id. Okay, has a class dot add class. Okay, the class name should be this one, so just control select this one, control X. Okay, and just remove this class, and just you can control Z, just copy, control X. Okay, just remove this class, because we want to, when we clicked that times, that class should be added. So this is the class we want to edit when we are click and we are load and we are resize our window. Okay, else else else, just copy this, control C and paste it here, and change remove class, remove. Okay, remove class, this one. And this is the function we want to a window window dot on load on resize equals to this function should be called, means when we are resize our window, means this one, when we are resize this window, the function should be called. Okay, so if you don't put this one, so don't worry, I want to show you using a jQuery as well. So just copy this function and click come here, and in a body tag just put on load and paste it here, that function semicolon. Okay, and just refresh your browser. So now you can see here by default it's look good. Okay, and when we are resize this window, it's change in menu. When we click here, it's not working here because we are didn't put the functionality. But when we are going to I mean when we are go to the mobile device, just inspect the element. Okay, so it comes here, and when we go to a desktop view, all the links should be perfect like desktop view. Okay, so that's a perfect, and this function do lots of things for us when we resize the window. Okay, 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 so it looks perfect. So now we need to create a one more thing. When we are click this menu, when we click this menu, the this link, all the links should be appear below that here. Okay, so for that just a dollar window dollar document. Okay, document dot ready function, which is the jQuery function. Okay, means a DOM is ready. And when we are clicked this menu, means this menu, when we are clicked this menu, so what is the ID of that menu? So this is the menu, that's ID is menu icon. Just copy it here and paste inside. This is the ID selector of the jQuery, and dot on. Okay, on click, the function will be render. Function is dollar uh, dollar and mobile menu, means this menu. When we click here, this menu, mobile menu, will uh, appears. So this is the id dot toggle, means toggling it automatically. So just semicolon, control S for save. Okay, so now we click here, it appears, it goes, but it's not like our this one. Okay, when we click here, it come here and go back, come here and go back. So give it a transaction, so put its 200 millisecond, control S for save, and come in our project, refresh and click here. Now you can see, okay, it's perfect, all the links is here. When we hover it, it comes. Okay, perfect, looks good. Okay, when we click here, okay, so one more thing, that is the this is when we are drop it here, when do faster developers, this is the company logo and name of that. So inside, after the image, okay, after the image we want to spend tag and close it, spend tag, and this is the company name, company name. Okay, and put style here, and you can give it id and put in css files and whatever you just want. And position is absolute. Okay, right is 0, right is 10 pixel. Okay, and top is 10 pixel, control S for save and see. I think this is our project. It's not, and this, oh sorry, just click here. So project's gonna run. Just play it. Just okay. The company name is appears here. It's gone. Okay. Now you can see, but it's not a white color. So to do a white color, just put a color is white, and font weight is bold. Control S for save and refresh. So now you can see just like that. Okay, it's look perfect. Okay, go to mobile, inspect. Okay, so this is our mobile view. When we click here, it comes and go back. Okay, and change landscape to portrait. Okay, it's look perfect according to our requirement. So friend, this is my very small tutorial based on the jQuery and the CSS, and how to make responsive websites using a jQuery. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys next time. Till then, bye and take care.